Yoder here, your trusted go-to realtor for the greater Orlando region based in Clermont, Florida.
And I'm Joanna Iaciofoli, a licensed mortgage lender with Mortgage Right. Fun fact, before lending, I worked in hospitality and event management. So now I get to bring that same attention, detail, and service to helping clients with their loans.
Which you do a great job of.
Well, thank you, Matt.
And together we want to cut through all the noise out there when it comes to buying a home.
Because let's be honest, there are so many myths and so-called must-haves floating around.
So today, we're playing a little game, myth or must-have. We're breaking down the top 10 things buyers believe and setting the record straight. Number 1, you need 20% down.
That is a big myth. You do not need 20% down. A lot of my buyers are putting the minimum down, which is anywhere from 3 to 5%, depending on loan product. And sometimes with VA loans, you can put as little as 0% down.
Yeah, that's great. And keeping cash in your pocket for moving costs or renovations can be smarter than draining your savings just to hit 20%.
That can be true. Number 2, skipping pre-approval, just shop first.
Now that's a huge myth. If you're not pre-approved, you're basically walking into the store without your wallet. Makes no sense.
Well, and sellers, they're not going to take you very seriously. Your pre-approval shows these sellers that you are ready to buy and gives you real numbers to work with. Number 3, any agent will do.
I'm offended that you would even say that.
I mean, it's a mindset.
That's definitely not true. You got to call me. This isn't a one-size-fits-all. Your realtor sets your strategy, negotiates, and guides you through the process.
And the right realtor, honestly, makes my job easier. We stay connected, keep timelines tight, and get you to the closing table smoothly.
Fixed rate loans are the only safe option.
Not always. Fixed rate loans are a great option and what a lot of people tend to go to, but sometimes adjustable rate mortgages make more sense depending on what your long-term goals are. If you want to sell or refinance in the near future, it might be something to consider. Yes,
exactly. It's about matching your loan to your lifestyle.
Number 5, waiving inspections is going to help you win the deal.
That's a risky move. I think, it'd be worth losing the deal rather than to not do an inspection. Inspections will always protect your investment.
Well, and skipping them doesn't always save you money because one hidden issue could cost way more than just paying for the inspection outright.
Exactly. And a couple of my buyers here a few months back purchased a home, or they were under contract, and the inspector found a structural issue that would have cost them $17,000 if it hadn't been detected before closing. Fortunately, we were able to get them out of that, but yeah, it's definitely worth doing.
Sure. Number 6, the first house you fall in love with is always the one.
It would be nice if it worked that way, but no, most of my clients usually fall in love with number 3 or number 5. I always use the process of elimination though. Keep your 3 favorites on the list and then eliminate the others. That's the way to, keep from frustrating yourself in the process.
True. And then also sometimes that first house that you think you fell in love with is going to teach you about what you don't want. You don't need to panic if it's not the right fit as soon as you walk through the door.
Right, exactly.
Number 7, the listing price is what you're going to pay.
Listing price is a starting point, not the finish line. Sometimes we negotiate under, sometimes we go over if it's competitive. It really all depends on the market.
Sure. Well, and also your financing power is what's going to play a huge role in what you're actually going to want to offer.
Exactly. Number 8, you can switch lenders mid-process without any issues.
Ooh. Well, technically you can switch. Don't recommend it. And I'll tell you why. It's a headache. You can really get yourself in a jam with timelines, underwriting, and it can end up costing you more money if certain things don't transfer over that you've already started with.
And I have yet to meet one person that has wanted to switch with you mid-process.
Thank you.
Pick the right lender up front and avoid the stress. Pick Joanna.
Thank you, Matt. Number 9, the market decides everything.
The market sets the stage, but your strategy matters just as much. Timing, negotiations, and having the right team makes the difference.
Well, and a good agent-lender team always helps you win, even in a multiple offer situation.
The right team doesn't matter.
Well, as I just said, that's going to be a big mess. The right lender is going to make sure your financing is solid from the get-go.
And the right realtor makes sure you're getting the best value and opportunity. Together, that's where success happens.
Absolutely.
Buying a home isn't about luck. It's about strategy and consistency.
Absolutely. And surrounding yourself with the right team, Matt right here, and hopefully myself, from the start. That's how you're going to win in this market.
So if you're thinking about buying in the greater Orlando region,
or if you need guidance on financing your dream home, we'd love to be that team for you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.
We'd love to tackle them in our next video.
We'll see you then.